Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Halloween style tutorial. I'm going to show you how to recreate this look. It's super easy to do. It could be used for a couple different style Halloween costumes, including a devil or a fallen angel or dark angel. You could easily replicate this style look using different colors as well to get a completely different look. It's up to you. To get started, I'm first going to use my black eyeshadow and black eyeliner and use this on the bottom lash line corner to corner, bringing it out a bit more on the outer corner. I am using a mix of shadow and liner on the inner and outer lash line, so bring that right on the waterline as well. Then I'm also going to bring this from that outer corner and smudge this on the top lash line to kind of smoke out the lash area a bit more. Then using a more fluffy brush, I'm taking a medium matte brown shade, and I'm just going to blend this all over the lid up into the crease. Now I'm going to take my red water activated paint and I'm just going to mark the areas that I want the blood drips that I pre-made to go. On the top lash line, I'm going to bring out that shadow and liner a bit more to match up with the red paint, but also to create more of a cat eye style liner. Then just taking a super light cream or off-white matte eyeshadow, I'm going to blend this on the brow bone and inner corner of each eye, just to lighten and brighten those areas, giving it a bit more of a highlight. Now apply mascara on top and bottom lashes. For the dripping blood effect, I just took a glue gun and applied this on a plastic surface. Once the glue gun cools and dries, it's super easy to remove from a smooth plastic surface. This is just a shoebox container lid. Once it's fully dry, I removed it by peeling it off and spray painted it red. Then I'm going to use some adhesive to apply this right underneath my eye. I also made a few more to apply around my neck, so I'm going to apply this the same way, just using some adhesive and placing it right on the area you'd like to apply it. Then I'm going to quickly apply mascara to my top lashes and false lashes, then fill in my brows using my tinted brow gel to help darken the color and give more definition. Then I applied a black matte liquid lipstick on my lips, some black contact lenses, which I do have a link and discount code for you guys down below if you're interested to check out, and my costume. In the video, I just applied the horns. Later on, which you can see in the photo and thumbnail, I did also apply a feather boa and wings. So it's up to you if you want to do more of a devil style look or a fallen angel or dark angel style look, but you can get really creative with the end result. And this look is complete. Super easy to do. Again, you can change this up in a bunch of different ways if you would like. But I really loved the overall look and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel and you're following me on Instagram and TikTok for day-to-day updates. As always, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.